It's August 12, 2023. The growth has slowed down as we're approaching autumn now. Let's start the update here with the lavender. You can see some more new flowers have formed, and most of the flowers that have opened a few weeks ago are now turning into seeds. They smell really good still. And here we have the grape. The leaves are slowly turning yellow, but other than that, let's take a closer look at the fruits. This bunch over here, you can see some of the fruits are turning purple now. Here's a bunch more fruits. They're all still kind of forming. They're getting bigger still. Hopefully we can harvest them soon. And here's the blueberry. Some more fruits have matured and they can be harvested today. And here we have the pineapple. Leaves are looking really red. Over here's the asparagus. Looks pretty much the same. Here are some of the asparagus fruits turning red. And here we have the raspberry. Some more new fruits are forming, as you can see right here. And here's the California poppy and some sweet alyssum. As for the hydrangea, the older flowers are sort of turning green now, but they're fading slowly. And we're still getting some new flowers, as you can see right there. And for the indoor garden, here we have the pitcher plant. You can see the pitcher is looking great, and it's secreting some syrupy substance around the pitchers. And also here we have the lady slipper orchid. The flowers has completely opened, and the medium oncidium is sending out flower spikes. So both of them are now flowering. And here's the harvest I did on August 12th. Plentiful of blueberry. And here's the harvest I did on August 20th.